Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add compressed animation in Apple Keynote. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Apple Keynote software. Then you can see here are my Keynote presentation. Now go to the first slide of this presentation and select the text. And you can see here are animation menu. Now I'm click this. Now you can see here a drop down menu. I'm click and you can see here are compressed animation. I'm click compressed animation. Now we can increase or decrease duration or direction. You can see here are delivered at once by paragraph. Now I am applying compressed animation all slides. The third slide, and you can see this select the text and apply compress animation. Then go to the first slide and you can see here are slideshow play menu. Now click this. Then click mouse and you can see here are compressed animation on the slides. Then you can see add compressed animation in Apple Keynote very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.